G'day Autobugsy, this is a Mk7 throttle body, made in Hella brand, genuine brand. Hella made it. Has a got a fault on the potentiometer B circuit, which is so technically throttle body. When you're looking at it here, you get worn down teeth here, so then you will say throttle body stuck open or whatever, stuck closed. So that's the issue. But this one's the tooth is fine. So the problem with this is reader, the potentiometer here. So they got the potentiometer A and B, the two separate circuit, and then controlled by 1, 2, 3, 4 pins. The middle ones just like the same as a DQ200 gearbox. So if you're looking at here, see pins just came off, so which is other pins. Other pins good. Yep, so 3 pins came off. So technically, if you welded to over there to there, over there to there, if you solder 4 pins, that'll work just fine. But yeah, there is a repair procedure you can do, or either buy a new one. This one's a aftermarket one's got about 300. So whether you repair it or yeah, you can play with it. Anyway, this is the Mk7 Golf throttle body. Anyway, 7.5 with the same, and the polos and all that, those are same thing. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.